Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I guess Musa finally decides to satisfy us as the viewers, and he finally posts a picture of Umatrina wakhe, his lost wife Umakwela, you guys. He posted this cute picture of her makeupless. One thing about this girl, guys, I jealous down. Muhle ugeli. And if anyone wants to fight against that, please meet me on the streets. Anyway, he put a caption and he's like, ingane encane makhwela indlu nkulu umacele uzoyifundisa ukupheka. Hey guys, the comments, people are like, Aibo, what type of comment is this? And guys, now I have to agree with you. What type of comment is this? Like, really? But one thing about us, Utanda Nestembu viewers, guys, we have a comment on everything. I mean, even if Umusa puts a sweet comment here, I feel like we still would have said something about it. So it's fine. I'm sure Umusa usijwayele ukuthi hayi vele sinama comment on any small thing. Musa can do this. We're like, yeah, you can do this. Like we always have a complaint about something. Now there was someone in the comment section that was like, Aibo, out of all pictures, Goda Musa, you coming to post this picture. Underneath that comment, people are like, Vela madoda njalo. You could have nice pictures that will post the ugliest one of you. But I don't find anything wrong with this picture. I feel like she still looks beautiful, but I kind of get where she's coming from. If you look at the pictures he posts of Abo Tobile, Abo Mangwabe, Abo Matele, they looking proper, guys. They have makeup, but so why is he kind of posting this picture where she's makeupless, even though it does not mean Uguti Mubi, she's not ugly vele, but you know, now again Musa begi lakho phambili, put the best picture of your wife, you know. Other people are like, yo Musa, wazidelelisa ngabantu ngenxa yakho Cocomelon. I'm just like, guys, the sooner the later, we're gonna have to start giving Umakwela some sort of respect. Because I feel like there's some respect that's a disrespect that's kind of lingering there. You know how Tobile's fans, like, they don't like it when Umayeni call Utobile ingane. We feel like, let me not say we, because I'm not a particular fan of one wife. I love all of them. You know how I also normally say it's disrespectful, or I find it disrespectful when Umatsele Benumayeni refer to Utobile as ingane. I kind of also feel the same with Umakwela. Yes, Umakwela, she is literally ingane in comparison to Ulokuzana, to Umusa. But I kind of feel like now that she's a wife, guys, I feel like if she is indeed a wife at this point, she has earned the respect of, or she should have at least earned our respect to address her by calling her Umakwela or Usamke then Ingane. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because people are like Cocomelon, Ingane, baby girly, and all of that, and maybe abanye bayadlala, but you can see some of it is borderline disrespectful. I'm like, it's a wife now, guys. She's not a girlfriend. She's not just a baby mama. She's a wife, and she does deserve some sort of respect. So I don't know, because some person, when I was questioning why Musa doesn't post to number 5, someone posted a comment which made sense with, you know, the show with basainama NDA, non-disclosure agreements with the show, and I thought it made sense. So I don't know what's changing his mind to make him now post Umakwela. But another thing people have been saying is that, okay, fine, we see you have posted Umakwela, you've posted Umakumalo, you've posted Umangwabe, which means she's possibly still there. The person people are waiting for now is Umayeni. I don't think Umayeni left, guys, but I don't know. Or maybe Umusa's keeping us in suspense by not posting her. Asazi, we will wait, because people are like, you haven't posted Umayeni in a while. So is Umayeni still around? Is she not still around? Asazi, you guys. We will just have to wait and see. Because one thing about these ladies, I noticed that with Izinganze's Tembu, anytime there was an episode that came out, Uvuyogazi or Umpumelelo or Utirelo, they'll post something that will either confirm whether they are with Umpumelelo or something like that. But these are older women, so they're giving us nothing. Mayen is giving us nothing. Mayen hasn't posted nothing. Mangwabi Matsele. Hey, the only person who posts is Uma Kumalo, and she just posts herself. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts about this picture and this caption. Do you find it a bit like strange or what? But guys, I think we need to give Umselegu some sort of grace. Ukuthi umuntu omdala lona, so ama-captions wakhe vele ke azoziyele ecaleni. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.